Here's Davey and his keeper sturgeon. I caught one earlier, a 64 inch, probably 60 plus pound, but here comes the other one. Let's see if he'll jump. Come on, Dave, bring it up.
Let's see. Over here?
No, just.
He's coming on this side.
Yeah, definitely not a shark pool, huh?
No.
I'm gonna see if it comes out of the water. It comes in too easy though. It's either a bigger shark.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh yeah, it's peeling a line.
Yep, there it goes.
Okay, the way we want it is like this. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go get the rope just in case, okay?
Hold on one sec.
You wanna see if it's coming up?
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh yeah, he's a peeling time. Okay, camera down.